Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add property and ownership verification in Google search engine. Google Search Console. Google Search Console is a free service provided by Google which gives webmaster access to a number of tools and reports for optimizing their website on Google search. It is an updated version of what was previously known as Google Webmaster Tools. It helps you monitor and maintain your website presence in Google search result and give you the opportunity to troubleshoot any problem that may arise and threaten your search engine ranking. With these tools, webmaster can check indexing status, optimize their website visibility and much more, all in one simple dashboard. Google Search Console comes with a wide range of useful analytics tools that will allow you to achieve the following. Confirm that Google can find the content on your website. Number 1, audit your content with the help of the performance report. Number 2, boost your visibility on Google search engine. Number 3, get notified of any problem on your website. Number 4, validate web page appearance to Google bots. Number 5, view queries that being in the most traffic. Number 6, see how your page rank in Google index. Number 7, find out if Google has found problem with any of your page. Number 7, find out if Google has found problem with any of your page. Number 8, keep track of your AMP page and mobile site that need to be optimized. And also last, number 9, receive alert for any indexing or spam issue encountered by Google on your site. So friends, in this video I will show you how to add a property and verify ownership. First of all, I will show you how to add property. To add property, need to go Google Search Console. For this, I will write Google Search Console in the search of my browser. Google Search Console. So friends, look this Google Search Console tools. So now here I click. So after clicking, here open new window and need to click start now. After clicking start now, then it will become new window. Welcome Google Search Console. Here I see two ways to add properties. 1, domain, and 2, URL prefix. Here I will not deal with URL prefix because it may cause some kind of problem in future. Here I will not deal with URL prefix because it may cause some kind of problem in future. For this, we will work directly with domain. So now here I put my domain name KARIM.host and now click continue button. After that completing checking, it will be show new window. Verify domain ownership via DNS records. So here is the code, and this code need to post my web hosting DNS record. So here I click this code, copy button. Now I click and go to my web hosting panel. This is the web hosting panel. So I scroll down and here is zone editor, DNS zone editor. So now I click DNS zone editor. So here my all domain are showing. So now I work Quorum.host. So here I click manage option. So click now, and here here show new window, and I click add record. Click this symbol, right? So add test record. I go Google Search Console and look this, copy the text record below into the DNS configuration for Karim.host. So add text record and paste this code here, and here paste the domain name. Now click to save record. Here show successfully saved the follow text record for Quorum.host. So friends, after put this code, I need to check this put are saved or not. So I scroll below down and check. Here is the code. So I need to back Google Search Console and need to click verify. So I need to click verify button, and it will be checking. Wow, look, ownership verified. Now I click done or go to properties. Okay, so click go to properties. Now friends, look this window. This is Google Search Console dashboard. Okay, so here are many different options here, like as performance, URL inspection, page, sitemap, remove, page experience, core web vitals, links, setting. So next video I will show you how to submit a sitemap in Google Search Console.